In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on and off Tesla Model 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have to power on the Tesla Model 3 and how to power it off. So first, I want to make it very clear. When you open a door to enter the Model 3, the touch screen powers on and you will be able to operate all the controls. To shift the Model 3, you have to press the brake pedal and swipe up for drive or down for reverse on the touch screen's driver's mode strip. If auto shift out of park is enabled, the Model 3 will automatically select drive or reverse based on the detected surroundings. Pressing the brake pedal shifts the vehicle into the selected drive mode displayed on the touchscreen's drive mode strip. So if you look on the touchscreen on the panel, you will be able to see the current mode that is being used. So essentially, as soon as you open the door and you get in, the car will automatically power itself on. Essentially, it never fully powers off. When you leave the car and you lock the doors, it essentially goes into an ultra low power consumption mode. And it is going to be locked and safely done being used. However, when it comes to powering off completely, when you finish driving and you shift into park, simply exit the vehicle like I mentioned. When you leave the Model 3 with your phone key and key fob, it will power off automatically. The Model 3 also powers off automatically after being in park mode for 30 minutes, even if you are sitting on the driver's seat. Although this isn't usually needed, you can manually power it off while sitting in the driver's seat, provided the vehicle is not moving. You just have to use the touch screen. So in here, you are going to go to Controls, then Safety, and then you will find the option to power off all the way down at the bottom. So if you want to manually power it off, you will have to use the touchscreen to go into Controls, Safety, and then choose the option to power off all the way down at the bottom. It will automatically power itself back on after a short period if you press the brake pedal or you touch the touchscreen. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on and off Tesla Model 3. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.